Hello y'all, this is D-Dog here. Today I'm about to be unboxing and taking a look at the Motorola Moto G5 Plus. It is in its nice packaging. So, I'm going to put the phone to the side and we could get to the accessories. So it has a slot protecting the contents. So first thing you notice, you get your turbocharged wall adapter. You get a micro USB cable. This phone is not USB Type-C. You get a white SIM ejector, and some basic paperwork. So here are the specs of the Motorola Moto G5 Plus. It has a 12 megapixel rapid focus camera, turbocharging, has a 3000 mAh battery, 5.2 1080p display, 2.0 GHz octa-core processor, a fingerprint reader, and an expandable memory up to 256 gigabytes. So let's peel the sticker off. So on the front, you get a sensor, you get your speaker grill, and you get your front-facing camera. So, I have the gold edition. It looks really nice. On the back, you got the 12 megapixel camera, your flash, your Motorola logo, regulatory information. So this phone has a nice champagne finish to the sides. And on the sides, you get your volume rockers and your power button. On the bottom, you get your micro USB port and your headphone jack. So let's boot up the phone. And also you got a fingerprint reader right here.
Hello, Moto.
So I'm gonna set this thing up and I'm gonna be right back. So here's the Motorola Moto G5 Plus. If you raise it up, you get like a quick overview of the time in that and notifications. So let's take a look at the lock screen. So it's pretty basic. You get camera and microphone toggle. So the fingerprint scanner is like really fast. So this is what the home screen looks like. It's got a neat display. So this is what the app drawer looks like. And by the way, this phone is running Android 7.0 Nougat, not 7.1.1. I don't know when it's getting the Android 8.0 Oreo update. So this is what the notification panel looks like. Pretty nice. This is what Dialer looks like, Messenger, Google Chrome. So you get basic apps like settings, clock, contacts, FM radio, which is pretty nice. So it's basically like stock Android, no bloatware, which is a good thing because it's unlocked. So this is a camera. Talking about the camera, this phone could take great videos and take great photos. This is what video quality looks like on the Motorola Moto G5 Plus. This phone could take great videos and shoot great photos. Look at the contrast. So let's get a Geekbench score. So this is what the score is: 844 for the single core score and 4,224 for the multi-score. So yeah, I love the brushed aluminum finish on here. It feels really solid. I love how the camera protrudes. It's really neat, like a really neat design. I love the gold borders. And this is my favorite part. When you want to like unlock the screen, you could hold down the fingerprint scanner. And if you want to lock it, you just hold it down, which is pretty nice and pretty convenient. If you don't feel like waking up the phone with the power button, you could just like press fingerprint scanner. So yeah, there is a SIM ejector tray right here, and you could also put a micro SD card in it. And yeah, where is the speaker? The speaker is right here. Okay, this is what the speaker quality sounds like.
Hello, Moto.
Compared to my iPhone 6s, it's a little bit bigger. So yeah, this has been the unboxing and overview of the Motorola Moto G5 Plus. Would I recommend this phone? Yes. I give this phone a 10 out of 10. Why? Because of a fast fingerprint scanner, a smooth and snappy OS, awesome cameras, a rigid design, a nice battery life. This phone is simplified. The software is nice and it's not bloated up with bloatware. But yeah, I'll leave a link down there in the description below. if you want to buy this phone. This phone is awesome. Thank you for watching my video. Please like this video and subscribe for more content. Peace.